I spent 15 years and 10 months living beside a teacher, a pal, a counselor, a chef, a motivator, a perfectionist, a supporter, and a believer. I'm just talking about one person here, someone who I look up to as my third parent, my 26-year-old elder sister. Right from teaching me how to spell my last name, Maheshwari, Maheshwari, in play school, to mercilessly banging my forehead on the floor. She's been constantly grounding me for the whole of my lifetime now. If my life were a wave, she's ready to play the part of a trough, just like an all-weather friend, always balancing me out somehow. Be it asking our parents for permission to go for a sleepover at my friend's, or convincing them to buy a new laptop. She held my hand throughout. Nothing could go amiss if she's in the room, until she got married. I vividly remember that as her wedding ceremonies were coming to an end, I felt more and more powerless, with a tinge of fear already creeping upon me. Something similar to how Arjun would have felt if Lord Krishna wouldn't have guided him through the twists and turns of the Mahabharata. Honestly, I hadn't thought of how I'd pass each day of my life without looking at her smiling face. Mainly because I knew just the thought of it would tear me into bits while I still had my board exams approaching. Robert Birol rightly said, the advantage of growing up with siblings is that you become very good at fractions. Since I have only one, I believe in the concept of half. Therefore, now that I had a full room to myself, I felt as if I was half empty and lonely. Apart from loneliness, a sense of frustration opened up for me because I'd been so dependent on her. I knew I had someone to fall back on, with someone whom I can share my real feelings. My life was falling apart to an extent where I began putting my thoughts on paper, something that I'd never ever done. The first few days, weeks, and even months were torturous. I was lost and felt nothing could be redeemed. Nevertheless, over the span of 10 months, the situation has changed. Recently, I'd been facing some complications because of my study timetable, as I had several competitions and entrance exam preparation going on along with my AS level examination. I had to learn about time management the hard way. So basically, finally, I worked for days on getting my jumbled timetable right, while she would do it with a snap of her fingers. How I wish I had a sense of perspective of things. Now I've learned how to make good use of my time after many trials. I also know that she still has my back. Having a sibling is as good as having your left hand work, even when you're a right-handed. Even now, I've nothing to worry about. I've doubled my wardrobe to choose clothes from, a second home to crash at, and endless reality checks so that I keep myself composed. She's the wind beneath my wings. She may not stay in my home and share my room with me, but she'll always be my teacher, my pal, my counselor, my motivator, my believer, and my supporter for life. That's the privilege of having a sibling. Thank you.